Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. Let's see how is the phone and what we get inside the box. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing. So let's quickly jump into the unboxing. Let's break the seal. On the front of the box you can see Redmi Note 6 Pro by Xiaomi. On the top of it, it says India's #1 smartphone brand and a Xiaomi logo. And the box looks very similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. On the back side of the box, you can see some specifications of the phone. And on the both side of the box, it says Redmi Note 6 Pro. So now let's unbox this phone. Opening up the box, there's the Redmi Note 6 Pro on the top. Let's set this phone aside for a few seconds. And under here, you will find a SIM ejector tool. Inside this, we get some paperwork and a TPU case for protecting the phone from getting scratches. And it's nice to see that they provide the case with the phone. And here we have power adapter, which is 5 watts and 2 amps, and a USB to micro USB cable. No Type-C this time. Let's remove the stickers. Now let's boot this phone, and while I set up this phone, let me give you a quick overview of this phone. On the right side, there is nothing but a SIM card tray. And as you can see, it's a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one SIM card and one micro SD card, or two SIM cards at the same time. Volume rockers and a power button on the right side. On the top there's IR blaster, secondary microphone and a headphone jack. And on the bottom there's a microphone, charging port and a speaker grill. It has dual camera setup on the back, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera. The main camera is with an aperture of f1.9 with 1.4 macrons. And the secondary camera depth sensor with an aperture of f2.2 with 1.12 macrons and a dual LED flash. And here's the fingerprint sensor. I like the fingerprint sensor placement because when you pick up your phone, your finger will simply rest on the fingerprint sensor. And below here you can see Xiaomi branding. And also it has dual front facing camera, 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. Talking about the design, it feels very premium and has this curved design which looks different from the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And also it feels lightweight. When you hold the phone, it has a nice grip and it fits comfortable in hands. Talking about the display, the Redmi Note 6 Pro has a 6.26 inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels with an aspect ratio of 19:9 and reaches the brightness of 500 nits. It has Corning Gorilla Glass protection and it comes with Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 10 on top of it. It comes with Snapdragon 636 and this is a 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage. And there's one more variant with the 6GB of RAM with the same 64GB of storage. This is the black color and it comes with 3 more colors, red, blue and rose gold. And now there is a new notch design in the Redmi Note 6 Pro, and also the chin is now little smaller. As the phone comes with 4000 mAh battery, the Redmi Note 6 Pro supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. However, the fast charger doesn't come with the phone, so you have to buy it additionally if you want. After adding my fingerprint, it unlocks the phone quickly. But I see some delay when I unlock the phone with the fingerprint sensor. And also the face unlock is fast. It unlocks the phone faster. And also you can keep the fingerprint lock and the face unlock at the same time. Talking about the camera, it has AI scene detection. So it will automatically recognize what you are trying to capture and adjust the setting based upon that. It takes photos with good details and contrast and has good clarity. And also it takes good night shots. You can also hide the notch by going in settings, and in the full screen display you can turn on hide notch and it will black out that notch area. And if you want that notch, you can just go in the full screen display and turn off the hide notch. So this was the unboxing of the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.